Rebecca here, and I'm so excited to share with you this attic insulation cover. This was gifted to me in exchange for my review. I'm so excited because it is crucial to be able to keep your home at a comfortable temperature, and this is really going to help that. Just open and install it. The stapler, very cool. Some staples, a set of instructions, seems very easy and straightforward. Then the attic cover. This attic cover measures 54 inches by 25 inches and was very easy to install with the staple gun that they provide. This cover is made of a top grade aluminum bubble foil and really helps in the summer and in the winter to maintain a cozy atmosphere for your home. The cover is waterproof and reflective of UV rays. I love the zipper. You can tell that the quality and craftsmanship of the sewing was done very well, and the zipper itself seems to be very strong and very durable. This cover will really help block the air and heat exchange between my attic and my room. You can see you can get right in there very easily, and then you just zip it right back up. This truly was very easy to install. All I did is unfolded it, inserted it, and put the staples in. It really fits perfectly. Now there is about 11 inches from the top to the bottom of the cover, and the stairs will fit in there perfectly. You can see that. All in all, I think this is a great fireproof attic tent ladder insulation cover kit, and I do suggest it. See you guys next time.